What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll show you how you can easily transfer your data and files from your old Samsung phone onto your brand new phone. And as you can see right here on my right hand side is my S22 Plus that I've upgraded to. So I'll be transferring all my data, all my files from my S10 Plus onto my S22 Plus onto my right. So what I've done, I did turn on my device, my new device right here. So with this S22 Plus, it came with a SIM card already in, whereas my old one had a nano SIM card in it. It had a SIM card in it. So when I turned on my S22 Plus, it required me to go ahead and turn off my S10 Plus so that my new card on my S22 Plus is activated. So once that is done, I'm supposed to go ahead and transfer my files from my old phone onto my new phone. So first off, you need to connect your new device onto your Wi-Fi. As you can see, I did set up my Wi-Fi onto my new device. As you can see, it's already connected. And then I will also connect my old device onto the same Wi-Fi. So I've already done that. So both of them are onto the same Wi-Fi or same network. So on your new device, once you go ahead and set up that, go ahead and tap on next, and it's connecting right there, checking for updates, and then they will ask you, do you want to copy apps and data? So go ahead and tap on next. Use your old phone or old device, so it depends whether you're switching from your iPhone or from your old Android. So in this case I'm switching from my old Android, so I'll go ahead and tap on next. So I'm switching from my old Android. I'll tap on Galaxy, get connected. How do you want to connect? So you can either use a cable or you can use wireless. So in this case I'm using wireless. I'll tap on wireless, open smart switch on your old device. So I'll come onto my old device, onto my so I'll move on to my S10 Plus, then I tap in smart switch and I'll tap on it. So once I tap on that, I'll say update. So there you go. I'll go ahead and open it again. So it's right there. So wireless, then I'll say send data, and then I'll also say wireless right here, and there you go. My smart switch app is open on my old device and then on my new device. So in this case, as you can see, I'm connecting. They're showing you connecting to old phone to bring your data, so you can wait. So I'll say connect and then connect. Then I'll tap on allow, and there you go. So my S10 Plus here has been connected onto my S22 Plus, and then this one has connected into my S10 Plus, and my data and files are being transferred from my S10 Plus onto my S22 Plus. So give it a couple minutes. So they're asking you select data to transfer. So select wherever you want to transfer, and then tap on next. Select messages to transfer, choose the option that you want. Copy to your new device, copy your Google accounts, other accounts, and restore your Google backup if available. I'll say copy, then I'll enter my pattern. There you go. My files have been transferred from my S10 Plus onto my S22 Plus, as you can see right here. So give it a couple minutes so that everything is being transferred, as you can see from your left. And there you go, all done. Tap on close. Organizing your transferred data. So I'll leave this running right here until the setup is complete. So I'll give it a couple minutes too, and I'll be back. So if you look through these notifications, the first one says finish setting up your Galaxy S22 Plus, then data transfer complete, and then this one shows you that setup complete, 16 out of 16 applications. Then you have a software update ready to install. So I can tap on data transfer complete right there, and they'll show you everything that has been transferred. And then if I tap on finish setup, I'll tap on that. Restore data from an old device, tap on that. Next, go ahead and confirm your lock. Restore. Give it a few minutes. So it shows you the progress of the setup, and 32 apps have been installed out of 150 applications, and the speed of the update will pretty much depend on the number of applications that you do have on your phone. And as you can see, pretty much I have a lot of apps, almost 150, and it will quite take a long time. Other than that, once all these apps have been installed, it will show you that setup is complete, and once the setup is done, they will show you that the setup is complete, and you'll be able to go through and see all your apps. Alright, hope you guys were able to transfer all your data and files from your old phone onto the new phone. And if you did, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, share the video, and if you're new to our YouTube channel, go ahead and subscribe, tap the notification bell so that you're notified whenever I release new content like this. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Catch you in my next one. Peace.